Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show to you how to track investments in YNAB. So basically there are two methods that you can do this, so I'm going to go through each one of them. So the first one is to create a category to budget for your investment contributions, and the second step is to budget for your contribution each month by assigning money to the category you created in step 1. Record the outflow in your spending account, register when it happens, and basically that's it. Now the second method, it's a bit complicated, and you have to create a category to budget for your investment contribution, add your 401k, ROA or other investment account in YNAB as an unlinked account with the current value of the account as the starting balance. Then you'll have to budget for your contribution each month by assigning money to the category, and when it's time to invest, add a transfer transaction from your spending account to the investment account. Categorize it with the category created in the step 1, create a repeating scheduled transaction to save yourself time in the future, and the last step is to update the account balance by clicking the reconcile button as it changes or as frequently as you'd like. And basically that's all. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.